What's up guys, we got our hands on a 20th anniversary Jeep Rubicon. Let's just start right in the front. So it's the 20th anniversary, you automatically get the steel bumper group. With the bumper you get the end caps that come off. And then they added for the 20th anniversary this new hoop bar system. So you might be a little confused, it looks like a 2024, but the 20th anniversary 2023 has actually got the grille first. Working our way up, we got the front camera. We got the functional hood scoop, and we got that new 20th anniversary decal on top of the hood. And of course, on the sides, we have that 392 badge to show what you're running. Going with the 20th anniversary theme, you get the logo here, it says Rubicon, and then you get the little 20th decal right there. And then they outline this little fender vent decal with bronze and black. 20th anniversary Rubicons get the Extreme Recon package. So that gives you the 1.5 inch lift from factory, the 35-inch tire, the B-block capable wheels, and then from there you get your performance rock rails from the factory, the fender extensions. So we're gonna go check out the inside. Let's do that now. On the interior, you're still getting that leather wrap dash with the red stitch, but now the panels are leather wrapped in red with red stitch. So you get the 392 steering wheel, of course. Now they have it with red stitching to match the rest of the dash. The center section is going to be like the rest of our Jeep Wranglers. 8.4 screen, all your controls here, heated steering wheels, heated seats. You're going to get your shifter, which has the 20th anniversary logo on that as well. So in the 20th anniversary edition, you get the black and red seats. Rubicon 392 in red, you get the red seat belts. Then matching the front seats, you get the black and red leather seats in the rear. Armrests, cup holders, air conditioning vents. So one feature I really do like on this, it has the Sky One power top. Easy as that. One feature all Rubicon should have came with is this feature on the 20th anniversary. It's the only one to get it. Get a built-in air compressor. How cool is that? So for the air compressor, they give you this bag. Open it up. And get your hose. So kind of cool, we took the hose out of the bag. You hook it up right to here. You start or stop it right there. But Jeep actually did something pretty smart here. You can fill up 2 tires at a time. So they have a shorter end and they have one that reaches all the way to the front tire. How cool is that? So don't think I forgot about the 470 horsepower monster in the hood. Let's go take a look at that. So I just wanted to take a second to show you what an Extreme Recon Rubicon looks like next to a normal Rubicon. The actual height difference and everything. So I have the factory 33s, the factory 35s, but you can tell by the mirrors just how much bigger it sits. I think the roof line. If you guys enjoyed that video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do that, and we'll see you in the next video.